Partnerize for affiliates, partnerize.com. So this platform is designed for for affiliate marketers if you click on customers and then affiliates. But also this platform is also and there are also Partnerize.com is also about helping businesses with their partnership and affiliate marketing efforts. It's like a one-stop shop for everything related to partnerships. They describe themselves as a partnership technology platform, and their main goal is to make partner management easier and more automated for marketers. So instead of spending a lot of time on tedious tasks, you can focus on finding, and converting your target audience on a large scale. What's interesting is that they claim to be a leader in partnership automation. They offer a complete suite of tools and capabilities covering everything from discovering potential partners to optimizing your partnerships and even handling payments. Here's what they offer. Discover, they help you find and connect with target audiences through automated data-driven partner discovery and recruitment. It's like finding the right partners to promote your product or services. Track, they provide insights into your partner channels with a flexible tracking system so you can see how well your partnerships are performing. Also, manage, Partnerize offers communication, collaboration, and customizing flexibility, which means you can effectively work with your partners to achieve your business goals. Measure, you can make data driven decisions with real time analytics and actionable insights. This helps you to see what's working and what needs improvement in your partnership program. Pay, they make it easier to handle global partner payments at scale. So whether you are working with partners in different categories or regions, they got you covered. Also protect, they have a system in place for always on complaints and front monitoring. This ensures brand safely. So as you can see, it's not only about affiliate marketing. They have really cool program and features and nice stuff. So if I click here, we are interested in affiliates. So if I click here, you can see the Partnerize claims to power over $500 million in annual commissions. That means it's pretty successful at helping affiliates like us make money. They also mentioned that you can tap into a pool of over 7 billion in sales and 600 million in commissions every year. That's quite a substantial opportunity. They emphasize their real-time technology and data to help you earn more, which sounds promising. It seems like they have a feature called brand discovery, where you can easily find and apply to global advertising campaigns from top brands. This means you can start earning commissions right away once you get approved from the brand. And I'm going to show you how to sign up, the entire process, so make sure you watch till the very end. Partnerize also highlights that they offer faster payments compared to other affiliate networks. They claim to have a global reach, making it possible to receive payments across 250 countries and territories in various currencies. Payments are proceeded daily, so you don't have to wait long to get your earnings. They also mention a powerful reporting suite or APIs, which means you can track your performance and gather valuable insights. This is crucial for optimizing your affiliates marketing efforts. And one interesting point is that they have testimonials from clients like Honey, who have been working with Partnerize for a very long time, find their platform intuitive and valuable for building strong partnerships. And they're also something about mobile conversion measurement, and indicating that they are adapting to trend of mobile marketing and make it easier to track conversions on mobile devices. So if you understand, guys, if you are interested, what you have to do is you click on this, join Partnerize. The process is really simple. Here we have to enter our email. So right now I'm going to enter my email. I'm going to enter my email again. I'm going to enter my username. Okay, ensure email address match. Oh, yeah. Now enter your username, how to browser, that's my username, 10 or 1. Password. Now I'm gonna enter my password. So I enter my password and now I can click on continue. Here, choose country. All right, and here I'll choose country, company address, post, zip code. All right, so now I'll enter my phone number, zip code, and address. Here you have to choose vertical. So I'm gonna go with education, and brand type, I'll go with influencer. Now enter your website here and company name and just accept terms and conditions. Make sure you click on here and read terms and conditions. And then you click on I am human, enter your website and company name and click on sign up. Here you'll wait for your email verification sent. Verification email has been sent to email address linked to this account. Click the link in the email to complete sign up. So just go to your email and click the link in the email to complete sign up. Okay, so now that's what I'm gonna do. Now you receive this email, just click on this verify email address. And as you can see here we are on the dashboard. Dashboard performance, showing performance across metrics for date selected compared to the previous time period. Clicks, conversions, order value, invited campaigns. You currently have no campaigns invites. If I click on here, join campaign, so here we also can see showing top campaigns based on clicks over the data range selected. Here I can click on campaigns and click on join campaigns. All right. So we're waiting. And there's so many campaigns available. So Adidas, click on this. And here I can see join selected campaigns. So here we have Adidas. Adidas will review application and notify you of their decision. If approved, you'll be able to access tracking links and promotional content. You may contact Adidas directly for help with your application. All right, and we have 4 different countries here. You can agree here, view terms and conditions, read terms and conditions. Here you can see program description about Adidas. The Adidas web shop offers the latest and largest online Adidas range. Adidas has been synonymous with excellence for more than 70 years. Okay, so you can shop with us safely and securely. The Adidas range brings together the very best in quality standards, technology, and innovation. Originals. Adidas Originals are sport performance about Reebok. All right, and you can click on join selected campaigns. And you can select actually only one. Or can select multiple and then select again agree with the terms and conditions for Adidas affiliate program. You can read from here, as I said, the Adidas terms conditions for Adidas affiliate program. Click on join, select campaigns, and yeah, join selected campaigns. You can select here again if you want to. Again, join selected campaigns. So that's basically how you do it. Here also we have tracking, content, analytics, and payments. You can click here on withdraw. You can choose a bank. We also here we have the option to change payment settings, add a payment bank. You can add here tracked currency, paid currency, country, payment method, PayPal. So let's go. Let's choose actually country. Here we can see all payment, country, and here we can see. So if some countries in others is not available PayPal, so here's just select your country. And that's pretty much it. So I really hope you found my tutorial valuable. Leave your feedback down below and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.